YouTube, we are back with another $1,000 mystery box, but before we get started, let me show you this real quick. Guys, we started this journey in January. It may take long for somebody else, but for me, this is perfect timing. We are at 999 subscribers. One more till we hit that 1,000, and just want to say thank y'all. But we'll go straight into the video, and whoever is at 1,000, I'm gonna send over a $25 cash app. So I will be contacting whoever subscribes. We'll see how it happens. Yeah, let's get into this 1K mystery box. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. So we're gonna go straight into this, a $1,000 mystery box from Soles.For.Less. We are gonna be adding his Instagram profile right here. Go ahead and check him out. He does a lot of early pairs and does a lot of dope raffles. So good friend of his, great company, and hopefully we can get a dub on this mystery box. Pray for OOS. Let's get it popping. We'll go ahead and open this up straight and we're gonna see it right with you guys. And let's see exactly what we can land. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm not gonna take a look, but I'll let you guys, oh man, I'll let you guys see it first. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so the last box that we ended up doing was a, what is that, $2,500 mystery box from Sneak City. I'm gonna let y'all take a sneak peek before I do, and let me know if you guys see anything good, anything used. How's it looking? How's it looking? All right. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. All right, let's go. We'll go straight to I do not know. We'll go and hop on this one first. And this looks like to be one of my favorite boxes. Not really. Got the Kanye West, the Yeezys 450s. I believe these are the dumplings. Don't even know the official names, but the 450s. Let's see exactly what these are. Okay, they look to be brand new. Yeah, they are the dumplings, size 7, I think. These are kind of small, so, oh, 9.5 actually. Yeah, what do you guys think about these ones? Yeah, I'm not rocking these. That's for a fact. Need some chopsticks with this, but I don't know. Hopefully these have some value. I know these definitely have some value in it in terms of like what is on StockX, but we'll have the counter right here popping up exactly where we are in our investment. But 450s, I've seen these go for some money, so we're gonna put that in. That is box number 1. All right, number 2. This one looks like to be a Nike Air Force box. So this is a size 6.5 men. Skeleton quick strike. So I believe this is the orange pair that released like kind of in like Halloween time. Yeah, so okay, so this looks like to be, let's see, a brand new pair. So these are the Air Force Ones, kind of in the small size. So we'll go and put the value up on top here. But what do you guys think about these? They have that kind of like that translucent sole and also come all the way to the back end as well. So these probably will get dirtied. They probably look like they glow in the dark as well, I think. That's what I remember. But overall, pretty clean shoe, and probably won't be seeing this on my foot, but these will probably be on our website. Again, everything that you see prior to this video will be on our website, www.ooskicks.com. So great addition to our counter, and it's a dead stock pair, so it's gonna be an easy mover, that's for sure. All right, this looks like to be a purple box. This one is a Nike SB Dunk Low, size 7.5, Navy University Gold. I think these are the Barcies. Exactly, yeah, these are the Barcelonas that I believe haven't released yet in the US. So these are strictly right now, I believe, on the EU side. But overall, a pretty clean pair of SBs. You have the mismatched pairs. Definitely cool to wear with, and it kind of goes alongside with the theme of the soccer team. So I wish I had a pair of these in my size, but definitely cool to see, size 7.5, and these will be on the website as well. So I can see a lot of people rocking these. Definitely good counter, good addition to our counter. All right, next we got a rainbow box. So this is a Nike SB Dunk High Decon Quick Strike, size 8. So I think these are the Magnus Walkers. Let's check it out. Another dead stock pair. Man, I'm loving this. Like, actually, hold on, let me see. Are these brand new? Yeah, these are brand new. You can't really tell because of like kind of the colorway on it, but these look to be brand new in terms of like how they are. So this is a collaboration with Nike SB. They look kind of like worn in terms of like how the shoe is in general, but overall it's a pretty interesting shoe. Yeah, these are dead stock, and like it's different with the mid portion on this part. It's not as like usually as stuff that is as it is in like Nike Dunk SB highs, but I haven't seen these in hand, and the quality is kind of crazy on these. So you guys know what this is: Nike Dunk SB high Magnus Walkers. These are going for about like 340 or 350 in this size range. So dang, that's like about like a third of the box. So we have one more shoe left to go, and let me know what you guys think about this one, but I'm going to add that value straight onto this counter. All right, one last box, and this box looks very, very familiar. I'm not sure if this is gonna be the Dunk or the Air Force One. I've been looking for one, but I'm not sure this is gonna be it, but we'll go and check it out. This one is a Nike Dunk Low. I'm not gonna look at it and see which exactly the release is. And oh, bro, what? All right, these just came out, and I was just telling my guy Moondust that I need a pair of these. He was telling about the quality. Oh my goodness. So as you guys know, these were just released, the Nike Dunk and the collaboration with Undefeated, and whoa, these are very nice. I actually just bought a size 10 for the personal, and glad that we got these into the in the box. This is definitely a good box. I think these go for about like 200 to 205, but I'm very excited to just see this in hand because of you got the leather here. You can just check this out. Very, very soft leather. Yeah, the quality on this like snakeskin material. Let me see if we can zoom into that. And then you have like this like I don't know if it's mesh or like I don't know, but it's like I can't even, it's like blanking out my head right now, but it's definitely a different type of material on the midsole. And then you have like slightly yellowed midsole portion up here. Man, this is a very nice shoe. It was going very, very high in terms of like pricing and people like getting the early pairs, but I think they've dipped down to a pretty good value, and I cannot wait to get a personal pair. So, oh damn, I can't believe he threw these into the box. That's crazy. That concludes the box that we have. We got a total of 5 shoes, all dead stock, which is great. They're gonna be easy movers. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to come out profitable on this box, and definitely we'll be buying some in the future. So again, this was a $1,000 mystery box from Soles.For.Less. Check him out. His info will be in our bio right down below. And yeah, that was definitely a fun one. So let me know if you guys see any other resellers that are doing mystery boxes. I'll go and try them out, and then we'll go from there. But again, till next time, guys, always remember, y'all, we appreciate y'all. We love y'all. Stay in stock with Out of Stock Kicks. Peace.